Want to create cool AI images like these? For free? Keep watching to find out how.
Whole lot of useful tips that you can use. QRS, QRS, QRS.
How to create images from sketches in Samsung Notes. To begin, you'll need to access the Samsung Notes app. On your Samsung device, go to your home screen and swipe up. Here I will be using the Samsung Z Fold 6. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type Notes. The Samsung Notes app icon will appear. Click on it to open the app. Next, you'll create your sketch. Click on the pencil icon at the bottom right to open a new note. Click on the sketch icon in the top left corner. Then, select a utensil of your choice, select a color and begin sketching freely. The sketch can be very simple or you can add more detail for a more creative output. Now, it's time to utilize the AI tool. Select the AI tool icon and choose the option Sketch to Image. Use your finger or stylus to circle the entire sketch on the screen. You'll then be presented with a variety of image styles. Choose from options such as watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, and 3D cartoon. Once you've made your selection, click Generate. The app will now process your request and generate 4 images based on your sketch using the selected style. Swipe through the options to view each image and select the one you prefer. Feel free to experiment with different styles. Try watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, and 3D cartoon to see which style produces the best results for your sketch. This concludes the process of creating images from sketches within the Samsung Notes app.
Product reviews, QRS.
For more useful information, like and subscribe.